Right, let's get straight into it then. I'm going to be doing video log recordings of my journey and collecting all of the PAL version Xbox 360 games, which include the standard and classics, plus special editions. I'll also be adding promotional and bundle copies into this as well. Ideally, I would like them all to have the manuals included, though there are still some in my collection that don't have them. Currently, over the last 2 years, I've been accumulating around 600 plus games, but I do have some of the NTSC versions within my library, which I'll remove when I basically need the space. So the plan is that each video will be when I have new additions to add into my library and to explain where I bought them from and how much I paid for them. So let's do a quick recording of my collection and we'll end the video there.